Hello, my dear boys. Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome all of you to my physics online class, and we are discussing on 2020 board question, especially multiple choice question. According to our study, our today's topic is SSC Dinajpur Board 2020 Multiple Choice Question Solution. So, my dear boys, let's do our discussion, our today's topic. So, my dear boys, this is our SSC Dinajpur Board 2020 multiple choice question. Okay. Question number 1. Which one of the following used electromagnetic radio frequency in human body? The answer is MRI. So the option is D. Question number 2. For the use of analog signal, three statement: increasing noise, magnify signal, possibility to lost signal. Here, analog signal does not magnify signal. So correct statement is 1 and 3. So our answer is option C, 1 and 3. Here we have given a stem. Answer the question now 3 and 4 from the following stem. Here we have given a convex lens whose focal length is 15 centimeter. Okay. So the question is question number 3. What is the power of the lens? Okay. So here the focal length is 15 centimeter. So we know that P equal to 1 by F in meter. So we can write So my dear boys, this is the solution for question number 3. Here P equal to 1 by F. F must be in meter unit. So 1 by 0.15 equal to plus 6.66 diopter. Okay. The answer of question 3 is option A, plus 6.66 diopter. Question number 4. If the object located 20 centimeter away from the optical center, then here the focal length is 15 centimeter. If the object is located in 20 centimeter away from the optical center, then we can say that the object is situated in between 2F and F. Okay. So for this position we get real and inverted image and magnified image. So here statement 2 is small in size. This statement is wrong. So our correct answer is statement 1 and statement 3. So the answer is option D, 1 and 3. Question number 5. What type of transformation happened in microphone? The answer is option D, sound energy to electrical energy. Okay. Question number 6. Which one of the following figures shows the three resistors are connecting in parallel? Okay. So observe the figure. We get that option C. Here for this figure the three resistors are in parallel because From their connecting point, the current will divide it into three parts. So these three resistances are in parallel. Question number 7. Where in Bangladesh will a nuclear power plant be built? The answer is option C, Rupur. Question 8. What is the name of the motion of an object hanging from a spring? The answer is option B, simple harmonic motion. Now, question number 9. When a stone tied with a string and moving around the head, then the stone, three statements are change the direction constantly, option 2 gets acceleration, and option 3 moving the uniform velocity. Here option 3 is correct. Moving does not moving with uniform velocity because the direction is continuously changes. Okay, so option 1, statement 1 and statement 2 is correct. So the answer is option A, 1 and 2. Okay. Question number 10. Which one is the dimension of the power? Here, the dimension of power is ml square t inverse 3. So, the correct answer is option A. Question number 11. Which Newton's law helps to measure force? We know that Newton's second law helps to measure force. So the answer is option C. Here we have given another statement, STEM. Answer the questions on 12 and 13 from the following STEM. Here you see that two medium A and medium B. The refractive index of medium A is N1 equal to 1.5 and medium B is N2 equal to 1.45. So medium A is denser than medium B. Here the question is question number 12. What is the incident angle of the figure? Here we get the solution is theta c equal to sine inverse 1 n2 by n1. Here n2 is 1.45 and n1 is 1.5. So the angle is critical angle is 75 degree. Okay. So what is the incident angle of the figure? Here incident angle will be critical angle because you see that the light ray is refracting according to the 90 degree angle. Okay, so this angle is critical angle, this incident angle is called critical angle. So the critical angle is 75 degree. Okay. Now question number 13. For the total internal reflection from the figure is theta greater than theta 1 correct, statement 1 correct, n1 greater than n2 correct, light incident in B medium wrong, light must be incident in denser medium. Okay, so option 3 is not correct. So the answer is option C, 1 and 2. Okay. Question number 14. Which type of wave create the feeling of hearing? Here the answer is option B, mechanical wave. Question number 15. What is the duration of sensation of hearing sound? We know that the duration of of hearing sound is 1 by 10 second or 0.1 second. Okay, so the answer is option C, 0.1 second. Okay, now question number 16, which one of the following used in the high telescope? Here the answer is option B, concave mirror. Now question number 17, what is the location of the image from the figure? Here from figure we see that the object is situated between 2f and infinity. So the image will formed in between principal focus and center of curvature. Okay, so the correct answer is option C. Question number 18, what is the unit of power of the lens? We know that the unit of power of lens is diopter, so the answer is option D. Question number 19, what is the value of force when 10 coulomb charge put at any point the field of electric intensity 1 Newton per coulomb? Here we have given the charge 10 coulomb and electric field intensity E equal to 1 Newton. According to the law, we know that F equal to QE. We know that F equal to QE. Okay, F equal to QE. Here the charge is 10 coulomb and the electric field intensity is 1. So electric force is 10 Newton. Okay, so the answer is option B, 10 Newton. Question number 20, what is the reason for seeing object in different distance with the help of eyes? The answer is option B, change of lens focus distance. Okay. Question number 21, if the equivalent resistance value is 5.33, then how to arrange the resistance when R1 equal to R2 equal to R3 equal to R4 equal to 4 ohm? Here the answer is option C, when connect 3 parallel and 1 series. Okay, the explanation is, here for 3 parallel connection we get, and another one is in series connection. So we get equivalent resistance equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 inverse 1 plus 4. Calculating we get 5.33 ohm. The equivalent resistance is 5.33 ohm. Okay, so here the correct answer is option C. Question number 22, which one of the following unit for conductivity? The answer is option A, ohm meter inverse 1. Okay. Question number 23, what is the nature of motion path of alpha particle in the air? The answer is option B, linear. Question number 24, which one is formed when the change of magnetic field inside the conducting coil? The answer is option C, electric generator. Okay. Now, my dear boys, our last question. 25. The number of turn in the primary coil of a transformer is 18 and the number of turn in the secondary coil is 90. The current flow in the necessary secondary coil is 0.5 ampere, What is the current flow in the primary coil? Okay. So, my dear students, the formula is I prime, IP by IS equal to NS by NP. Here NS is 90 and NP is 18, and IS secondary current is 0.5. So putting this value and calculating, we get the input current of primary coil IP equal to 2.5 amperes. Okay. So my dear boys, our answer is option D, 2.5 amperes. Okay. So my dear boys, this is all for today. In our next lecture, we will try to solve another SSC board question, especially MCQ question. Okay. So, my dear boys, until then, thank you.